After you have downloaded the Salsa Dance Timing Trainer from my Google Drive, you should see it in your downloads inside your phone or in your internal storage. Click to install. You might get a small warning that you need to alter your settings to accept the installation of this app. Click on Settings. Where it shows Allow App Installs, toggle the switch to turn blue. Now press the back arrow. You will get one final warning because this is not originally from the Google Play Store. Just click on More Details and then Install anyway. The app should start installing with no problems. Once the app is installed, just click Open. The logo will appear first, and there you have it on your device to start practicing dancing. And you will also see the little icon of this application on your screen for easy access. Have fun, everybody!